Hello students, today we will learn about creating tables. Tables arrange data in rows and columns and provide an attractive way to represent information. Tables are created to present information or data in a comprehensive manner. Make Moving forward, let us first talk about creating a table. To create a table in HTML, table tag is used. Each table begins with a table tag and ends with /table tag. You can define various attributes of a table in the table tag. The table displays data in a tabular format on the screen, that is, in rows and columns. Each row in a table begins with the tr table row tag and optionally ends with the /tr tag. Rows must be inside the table tag. The columns contain cells, each of which begins with the td table data tag and ends with /td tag. TD tag must always be present inside the row tags TR. To specify a column heading, we use the TH tag that also ends with /TH tag. It makes the text bold. Students, let us know more. The caption tag is used to provide a caption label or title for a table. It can either appear above or below the table. Let us create a table to display the serial number, name, and grades of students and understand the use of these tags. Okay, students, note that this table does not give the real appearance of a table, but it is made up of 4 rows and 3 columns. To enhance its appearance, you will learn more about other table attributes. Alright, let us discuss about attributes of the table tags. The table tag has many attributes which appear between the table tags. We can enhance the appearance of a table by using these attributes. Let's learn about a few of them. Border. This attribute draws a border around the table. It specifies the width of the border of a table. If a table border is not given or its value is 0, then no border will be displayed there. The larger the value, the thicker will be the border. Syntax: table border equals to 3. Here the number 3 is the border size in pixels. Let us take a quick view. What are the attributes of table tag? Border color. The border color attribute is used to set the color of a table. The default color of the border is gray, but you can change it by assigning a different color name or color code to the border color attribute. Syntax: table border equals to 3, border color equals to double quote in blue double quote close, table border equals to 3, border color equals to double quote in #F0000 double quote close. Background color. It is used to specify the background color of a table. The default color of the background is gray. You can change it by defining a color name or hexadecimal code. Syntax: table border equals to 3, background color equals to double quote in white double quote close. Align. The align attribute is used to specify the alignment of a table. By default, table is left aligned. The alignment can be set to left, center, or right. Syntax: table border equals to 3, border color equals to double quote in blue double quote close, BG color equals to double quote in white double quote close, align equals to double quote in center double quote close. Students, let us take a discussion on cell spacing versus cell padding. Cell padding. This attribute sets the margins within a cell. It creates a distance between the edge of the cell and the contents of the cell. It is the pixel space inside the cells, that is, the distance between the cell content and the cell boundary. Syntax: table border equals to 3, border color equals to double quote in blue double quote close, BG color equals to double quote in white double quote close, align equals to double quote in center double quote close, cell padding equals to double quote in 10 double quote close. Cell spacing. This attribute is used to set the minimum distance between two adjacent cells. Cell spacing is measured in number of pixels between the table cells. Syntax: table border equals to 3, border color double quote in blue double quote close, background color equals to double quote in white double quote close, align equals to double quote in center double quote close, cell spacing equals to double quote in 10 double quote close. Okay, students, let us share an important tip. The default value for both cell padding and cell spacing is 2. Height and width. By default, the size of the table is as large as the data that is entered into it. You can change the overall height and width of the table to get the desired size. You can specify the height or width either by specifying the size in absolute pixels or by specifying a relative percentage of the screen size. Syntax: table border equals to 1 bg, color equals to double quote in white, double quote close, height equals to 300, width equals to 400. It is also possible to control the dimensions of individual table cells or rows. TR height equals to 80, TR width equals to double quote in 50%, double quote close. Let us understand attributes of the TR, TD, and TH tags. Border color and background color. You can set the border color and background color for the cells of any specific row or column using border color and background color attributes of TR or TD tags. In the same row, you can give different colors to every cell by specifying different colors or a hexadecimal value using TD or TH tag. In this case, the color attribute of TR tag does not show any effect. Students, let us know more. The frame attribute of table element specifies which sides of the frame surrounding a table will be visible. Horizontal alignment align. Align attribute controls the text alignment within the cell either to the left, right, or center. The default alignment of the content of table cells is left and vertically centered. If we want to change the alignment of cells, it has to be done individually for each cell. TR align equals to left aligns the content to the left side of the cell. TR align equals to right aligns the content to the right side of a cell. TR align equals to center aligns the content to the center of a cell. Similarly, you can change alignment of a column also by using the TD tag. Vertical alignment, V-align. V-align attribute is used with TD tag and sets the vertical alignment of data in a column. The data can be set to top, middle, or bottom. TD V-align equals to top aligns the content to the top of a cell. TD V-align equals to bottom aligns the content to the bottom of a cell. TD V-align equals to middle aligns the content to the middle of a cell. Spanning. You can combine two or more cells in a column or a row to make a single cell. It is useful for displaying heading and titles in a consecutive rows or columns. Call span. Call span is used to combine cells horizontally. It specifies the number of columns that the cell spans across and shows them as a single cell. Syntax: TD call span equals to 4, where 4 is the number of columns that the cells span across. Row span. Row span is used to combine cells vertically. It merges the number of cells vertically and shows them a single cell. Syntax: TD row span equals to 3, where 3 is the number of rows that the cells span across.